Those don't just speak, they signal, awaken, they carry the sacred frequency forward. So this ain't just storytelling, this is soul work. This is a rhythm in remembrance, bloodline in a baseline. We don't just speak names, we summon them. We don't just tell tales, we resurrect legacies. You feel that in your chest? That's not just a beat. That's the ancestors nodding in agreement. I'm Michaela, and this mic ain't just mine. It's borrowed from those who made silence impossible. We want to thank you for listening and watching the Jamaican Case Files.
Remember to subscribe and stay tuned to more hidden truths.
Until next time, stay woke, stay safe,